Hey guys!
Hey! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kira. This is Kamdenboy. And this is Baby Lab.
Yes!
What do you want to say, Cam?
I'm gonna say Kamdenboy.
Say, I'm Kamdenboy.
I'm Kamdenboy. That's the Kira.
And hold on.
Daddy.
Okay.
So guys, yesterday was Christmas and we got the best Christmas present ever from YouTube.
Yes,
Right?
we did.
We got a silver play button.
Let me get it.
We get it.
Here, Kiri. Take it out the plastic.
I take it out of the bag. I got it.
So cool. So guys, congratulations again on reaching 100,000 subscribers on your channel, Kira and Cam. And you played a little part in there, KB Dad.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So I have a surprise for you guys.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go get it real quick.
What is it? I can close my eyes. I can close my eyes.
I gotta close my eyes. Someone's peeking.
Cam is.
Kira's peeking.
No, I'm not. Look.
I see your eyes.
I'm not peeking.
You're not peeking?
No, I promise.
Are your eyes closed?
Yes.
Okay. Cam, don't peek.
Can I open now?
In a minute.
Hey, Kate.
What? Are you peeking?
You
Don't
can
peek.
open that.
Chloe.
Oh! Look, Kira. Oh, man. Look what it says. Did you look at this?
Did you read it?
Celebrating 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
I want is this Play-Doh?
No, it's a real cake.
I want to eat it.
That's
You
so
wanna eat it?
cool, right?
Yeah.
And it has your KB logo on it.
Yeah. I want to eat it.
You want to eat it?
You want to eat it? You guys want to eat that cake?
Yeah.
You didn't bring us forks?
All right, you guys got forks?
Yes.
Are you ready to dive in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see it. Ooh. Oh, that's fine.
Oh. Cam got him a little bit.
Kira got a little bit.
I'm gonna get a little bit too.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Uh-oh.
You guys are eating the play button.
Mm-hmm. You want some of that?
Kira, thank all your subscribers again for watching all of your videos. Okay, shoot it up.
Thank you for watching this video. Bye. And remember, kids, be sweet. Bye.
Bye.
kids.
Say bye,
Thank you
Cam.
all for watching our videos. We love our 100,000 subscribers. Bye.
Bye.
Are we gonna
It's
eat
just
it?
cake. It's just show cake or
We're
is
gonna
it
eat it on
cake?
camera?
I want to eat this cake.
I don't know if we should be rubbing it.
Oh, don't touch it.
That's like that's cake. You rubbing it.
Oh, don't touch it.
That's like that's cake.